Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to generate favicon and how you can upload them to your WordPress website. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you can see I have searched for generate favicon on Google, and the third link you will see this one. Just click on this option, and after that you just need to choose your image. So make sure to choose your brand, and if it is in square shape, that would be great. So I'm going to choose that and upload that over here. And once you upload that, just click on create favicon. And as you can see, I had just created my first favicon over here, and now we are going to upload this. So how you can do that, just click download the generated favicon. Make sure to do that. And once you download this, what you're going to do is go to your WordPress cPanel. And once you're at your own cPanel, make sure to click on file manager and click on public HTML. After that, we are going to upload our favicon zip file over here, which we recently downloaded from over here. So how you can do that, just click on upload, select the file, and this is the one which I recently downloaded. Click on this, and after that just go back to your home. Once you do that, what you're going to do, just click on this zip file, and after that just click at the top right corner extract and click on extract files. So you can see that we just extracted all the files over here, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back on this page and copy this all HTML document, and we are going to paste that somewhere on WordPress admin plugin. So how you can do that, you just need to paste this code in your theme head tag. And if you don't find your theme head tag on settings or in themes, obviously appearance, what are you going to do, we're gonna get the help from plugin, and the plugin is very easy and very simple. Just click on add new plugin, and we are going to search for head tag, and after that just select the first one, install and activate, go to settings and paste that over there. That's it. This is all you need to know how to generate favicon and how to upload favicon on your WordPress website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.